And here's how you install it. Go ahead and remove the red covers from the 3M and then ensure that this area is as clean as possible. Soap and water if you need it. If you've been running without caps for a while, dirt and mud and other stuff is probably just caked everywhere. Once you get all that stuff off, hit it with some IPA to remove any remaining oils and stuff on the surface. Once you basically have all of that ready, go ahead and take this guy, just line it up like this and just press inward. And then you apply pressure to the top part of here, and here for about a minute. Apply continuous pressure there, which will allow the 3M to set and hold. After that, you're pretty much good to go. And it's all looking great.